Hello, travel friends! During our recent trip to Boston, we stayed at the Sheraton Boston Hotel, located right in the heart of the bustling Back Bay area. This classic property is steps away from shopping, dining, and some of the city's best attractions. In this video, we'll show you around our king room, the lobby and amenities, and share what you can expect if you're considering a stay here. We'll also reveal how we booked this room using points and how much you can expect to pay in cash. Let's get started! As we mentioned, this hotel is located in the historic Back Bay area of Boston, which is close to local attractions and a quick walk to the subway lines, so it's super easy to get around. The hotel is also connected to the Prudential Center, a huge mall with lots of shopping and dining options. Now let's take a look at our king room.
So this is room 2019 with views of the river. This is a king room here at the Sheraton, close to this is Back Bay, so close to Fenway. And yeah, relatively small room, pretty standard. This is basically it right here. You can see it in one angle. So that's your king bed. You have some drinking accessories, some waters, ice, phone, lamp. Bed feels firm. Killian's gonna test it here in a second. You got some lighting, some plugs on the side. That's always nice. Here's like a sitting area. So yes, working space area. You got the table. You got a nice small fridge. A couple drawers. Bibles. This one takes care of Christians and Mormons.
Alright, Mom, hold this fridge.
TV, about a 50-incher. Here's your coffee. Looks like all products by Starbucks. Ooh, fancy. You don't see that a lot. These are all the single pod. They do offer connecting rooms. So you're gonna like this bad boy. Mirror, the Killian showcasing. This is your closet, a little small. Here's the restroom, single sink. Some extra cups, the walk-in shower. It's pretty nice. Nice minimalist decor. Products by Gilchrist and Sons. There's your shower head right there, along with the adjustable one. So yeah, pretty nice, pretty cozy. For this room, rates we saw about $300 a night, and we booked with a Marriott certificate, Bonvoy certificate. So you great use of those. If you have a Bonvoy card, higher certificates, and we just topped it off. It was about 40,000 something points, and then we just booked an extra night. So.
The Sheraton offers a lot of different room options, including everything from 2 double beds, 1 queen or 1 king rooms, to rooms with a view of the river, junior suites, executive suites, and rooms with club lounge access. In terms of food options and hangout areas at the Sheraton, as soon as you walk in, you'll notice lots of inviting seating areas. Off to the right is the Henderson bar area, which serves drinks and food. There's also the And More Market for grab-and-go or tableside food, and the hotel also offers a la carte room service as well. In terms of other amenities that the hotel offers, if you drive and you do need to park, they do offer parking, but it's about $70 a day. As we mentioned, the hotel also has a club lounge, which is available for Platinum, Titanium, and Ambassador Elite members. There's also a fitness center with the usual equipment and an indoor-outdoor heated saltwater pool with a retractable roof. Unfortunately, we didn't get a chance to check this out, but it did look very inviting. Thanks for joining us for a look at the Sheraton Boston Hotel. While we didn't get to explore every corner this time, it's easy to see why this location is such a great home base for exploring the city, and we hope to visit again in the future. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other Boston hotel reviews and travel vlogs, which we'll link here. See you soon!